Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today's video is starting not in the workshop, but here in my kitchen. And today we're talking about this. This is a cast iron skillet, or cast iron frying pan, cast iron pan, whatever you want to call it, but it's made of cast iron and it's pretty heavy. And they're difficult to pack and they're difficult to port. I love these cast iron pans, you know, I love to get outside and cook. I love to get my firebox stove going and put this on the top with a nice sizzling steak. And once a cast iron pan is well seasoned, then it will last you forever and do the job that you want it to do. However, they are quite heavy, they're difficult to pack and they're difficult to port. So I thought I'd look for an alternative solution. Now this isn't about me going off and doing a multi-day hike or an expedition where you're looking just for nutrition at the end of the day. For that I use a gas burner stove and freeze-dried food. This is about getting outside and enjoying the process of cooking and eating great food. So as an alternative to my heavy cast iron pan, I thought I'd look at carbon steel, and I've had my eye on this thing for quite a while. It's Swedish and it's by a company called Stabilotherm, and the name of the pan there is a Jagerstekpanna original, Hunter's frying pan original. I wasn't that good, I don't just know Swedish. I actually phoned up a really good mate of mine called Christian Bunky, who taught me how to say it on a voicemail message, and I played it over and over again until I could say Jagerstekpanna original without mistakes. But the accent's probably a bit more Spanish than Swedish. So there you can see my cast iron pan is just over 1 kilo, so 1,172 grams. So the new pan is 638 grams, that's almost half the weight. That's pretty cool. Another feature that I really like on this pan, and it was probably the biggest buying motivator for me, was this, the folding handle, which makes it really packable and portable. And the end of the handle is hollow. So if you were cooking on an open fire and you need to extend the handle, you can just pop a stick in there. Carbon steel pans, just like cast iron pans, need to be seasoned properly. There are plenty of instructions on the company's website and on their social media channels, so I'll drop some links below. But right now, I want to cook with this later, so I'm going to go out, light the fire pit and get it done. As you can see, the pan's pretty much black. I've done 8, maybe 9 coats, so it should be well seasoned and good to cook. But the pan works a treat. I've now got breakfast number 2, Hobbit's breakfast. So I'm going to scoff this and enjoy this magnificent view. This is good. From the local butchers, made using Welsh salt marsh beef, really good. got sand in it. Adds to the texture, but it's not very nice. Ah. How did I do that? What can I say? I absolutely love this pan. It's really good, really cool, easy to use. It's non-stick, it's easy to clean, just wipe it around. It's got a folding handle. The only thing I need to do with it now is to get a pouch of some description, because I've only just got it, so I'm using the box. I know the company that make it do make a specialist pouch, but I might get out the sewing machine and have a go at making one myself. So now I'm just going to sit back, relax, enjoy the sun, let breakfast number 2 go down a bit, Hobbit's breakfast, and then enjoy this almost deserted beach for half an hour, pack up, leave no trace, and make my way home. So that's me done. Thanks for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell thing, and remember, be good, be brilliant, be awesome, and if I can help you in any way, shape or form, get in touch, let's have a conversation and make good stuff happen. Quick footnote, guys, I should add that I am in no way, shape or form sponsored by Stabilotherm. They didn't give me this pan, they haven't paid me any money. I discovered the pan on a website search. I think it's really good, and why not share the knowledge with everybody else? You know, we're all in it together, right?